Habitats by Marisa M. The desert habitat. Some animals that live there are coyotes, lizards, and spiders. Some plants that grow there are flowers, poppies, and trees.
Do you want to circle any?
No. And the climate in the habitat is hot and cold, and very little water and dry. The wetland habitat. Some animals that live there are turtles, toads, and moose. Some plants that grow there are cattails and a pitcher plant. The climate in the habitat is cool or warm temperature, and they have shallow water. The rainforest habitat. Some animals that live there are some snakes, a toucan, and a jaguar. Trees that live in there, and some ferns, and some vines live in. And then the climate in the habitat is wet and shady. The grassland or savanna habitat. Some animals that live there are cheetah, ostrich, and some plants that grow there is grass, flowers, and not a lot of trees. The climate in the habitat is dry, hot days, and near the equator. The habitat is a polar or Arctic. Some animals that live there are polar bears, Arctic foxes, and penguins. Some plants that grow there are yellow poppies, and the climate in the habitat is very cold and windy.
Okay, then you can wait for me.
The woodland habitat or forest. Some animals that live there are worms, birds, and turkeys. Some plants that grow there are trees and some pine trees and shrubs. The climate in the habitat is shady and warm.